since the sun has been showing itself more and more often, I feel like I need to start with my spring cleaning. So that's what we're going to do today. But at the same time, I'm going to take it slow because it's that time of the month. My back hurts, but I don't have any cramps. So I think that I can do this and we'll just see how it goes. If anything, things will get pushed off to tomorrow. Anyways, I don't want to ramble too much. So let's just get into it. I actually vacuumed my mattress a few days ago, but this is just a reminder for you guys. And the fact that the sun is out, if I actually had more space, I think I would put the whole mattress in the sun. Apparently, it's supposed to be good and like revitalizing the mattress, the cushions, everything. So even for the pillows, I'm just spraying them down a little bit with just fabric softener, and I left them like in the sun as long as I could, and then I'm just like massaging or giving them back their shape. And I'm going to be doing this a little bit more. Actually, may not show it all the time on video, but because the sun is out, I like to leave them take up as much sun, and I feel like they end up getting back fluffier and nicer. So yeah. Okay, also I just wanted to come on here and say that I don't know about you guys, but when I watch like motivational cleaning videos, I feel like these people look all put up all the time. Everything is perfect. And how I've been starting to show you guys a little bit more of my like reset routine, my maintenance and everything. Sometimes I just don't have the time. I'm not in the mood. I just don't feel it. And that's like no, because eyebrows needs done, the nails are horrible, my hair is not done. And I feel like when I actually clean my house, it's 80% of the time this is how I am because I take care of the apartment first before myself. Cause I feel like when I take care of myself, the apartment needs to be clean. Like I don't know if that makes sense, but like when I'm going in for a bath, a shower, doing my hair, the bathroom needs to be, clean so that I could feel clean when I'm in the shower. I'm probably rambling, but at the same time, I feel like it's harder for Black women to look put together easily. Like, there's a lot of work that goes into it, and I just like need some appreciation for that. And yeah, not everything can be done all one time. So I just want to like my hair like I just put this on, but without the this, it probably looks like weird or what's not. So I just wanted to say that. And my outfit is, I have a stain on my shirt from Clorox or something like that. Probably when I wash some clothes some other time there. So you understand, 80% of the time, this is what I look like when I actually clean my house. And I only started trying to put myself together because I'm filming it. And for you guys, I don't want y'all to see like every single time that I look like trash. Anyways, let's go. If you guys know, you know, but basically I do my boyfriend's hair and my hair. Obviously, it's not done today, but this is what the floor looks like after, cutting the hair, combing the hair, and all of that. I also need to wipe down like the microwave area, the fridge with all our like fingers and stuff. It's just looking. I finished with the bedroom and the bathroom, and I'm going to continue with the kitchen. As you can see, kind of a mess still behind of me. And then hopefully the living room. I kind of wanted to make time to go for a walk today, but it started raining, so I'm guessing that's not gonna happen. So yeah. Like I tried to explain at the beginning, I'm just taking everything slow today. So I'm not going to be like heavy deep cleaning, spring cleaning as yet, but it is a beginning. This part, even though it's like a home reset, it makes me like evaluate the steps that I have to take for the next one. I opened the window in the bedroom and realized that wow, my windows are dirty, they need to clean. The mattress, for example, as well, but also like the sink, the vents, and all of those things are to come. And hopefully, I get to film all of those things for you guys. So I'm just taking it one step at a time. And if you can do it all in one shot, that's good. I've tried that in the past and it is very exhausting. So for me not to get like a burnout, I'm just taking it slow. I also took advantage of this opportunity to bring out some more colors. I know that the cherry blossom trees, sorry, are going to be blooming soon. So I brought out some pink and I have the blues is already stuff that I had. I'm not going to buy anything new, and it's just to add a pop of color with all the brightness of the sun outside. I feel like it's a good touch for inside as well. The rain did end up easing up a bit, so I took a small stroll not too far from the house, and it was so good to see all the greenery. Despite some trees still being kind of in winter mode, the clouds being gloomy and gray, but the flowers are thriving, and I love that. When I got home, I was in the mood for something sweet and I had these overly ripe bananas. So, what better to do to look for a recipe like a banana bread, a banana cake, muffin, etc. I decided to go on a muffin today, so that's what I'm doing. I will link the recipe down below. It was very, very good. I rarely do recipes that require a lot of ingredients. I really like to be like kind of skimpy with my ingredients. Look, things are getting expensive, but this one was really worth it. I find it was really, really good. I mean, come on, oil and butter. But no, it was sincerely really good. So if you guys have an opportunity to try it, I suggest you do. forgot to take a picture or even show you guys before I started eating, but this is what it kind of look like. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of like dark in that area. Okay, got it. So it tastes really, really good. And I'm going to take, it's not supposed to be a banana bread, it's supposed to be a banana muffin with chocolate chips, but I didn't have chocolate chips, so that's why I used Nutella. But it tastes really, really good.